And today we are gonna making a website on Google Sites. So if you guys don't know what Google Site is, I will tell you what Google Site is. So Google Site is a structure, wiki, and web page creating tool included um, as part of the free web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. So if you guys don't understand what they say, so they say basically you guys can make a website for free, and you don't need programming knowledge, you don't need a domain, you don't need everything that basically a pro programmer uh, used to make a website. So you guys don't need that thing. Why I recommend use Google Sites than WordPress? Because first thing first, Google Sites is free and it's owned by Google, so which is you can save it on your Google account, or you only need a Google account, and also it doesn't have to need some domain. So yeah, uh, like I said before, it was free, it was easy to use, and it was friendly user. Well, this is the main page of the Google site. So if you guys have a Google account, you can just log in it, or if you guys already have a Google account in your phone, this will be probably the first page that showed up. Alright, so we have a couple of templates here. You can make it up, or if you don't want to pick it up, that's okay. The first thing first that I want to tell you about in here is only things that how the website is working and what the function that in this sites do, in Google site do. So I will not gonna use a template because it was too easy, guys. But if you guys want to use template, I'm not I mean, yes, I allow it, but in here I'm just gonna explain about what is on the blank page. Alright, so as you can see in here in the blank page, it looks so boring and there's nothing things you can do in blank page. Well, it's because you haven't made anything yet, and this is blank. Of course it's blank. So here we have a lot of option. Let me put it the camera in here so you guys can see the function. Well, you guys see there's our text box, image, embed, and drive, and a lot of things that you basically can do in this website. Well, it's pretty easy, guys. It's not like programming things, so I hope you guys can listen what I'm saying. Well, we got everything here that we need. So first thing first, I'm gonna explain what's this. Okay, it says your page title, so you can put anything title in here. So it's basically your page title. Let's just say I will make a portfolio. Yeah, and you can put any site's name that you want. Like I'm gonna put whatever here, and yeah, if you guys seems like bored with the image here, yeah, I know the image is feels bored and you need to be changed. Well, you can actually select it, so you can upload the image from any other drive, or you just can select and choose any gallery that Google site has provided you to choose it. So I'm gonna change ocean here. It looks good, I guess. And here you can click select. Alright, that's good. And as you can see here, the font color and everything is changed here, which is looks 10 times better for me. And yeah, you guys can also change the styles too if you guys don't want the bigger this big text. You can change to heading or whatever you want. Small text, you want the small text or even the normal text, but I'm gonna choose title here. But if you guys want to change it, change the text manually, you can basically use font size in here, and just select the text first, and also after that you guys can select whatever font, whatever size you want to choose. Well, I'm gonna choose 24 here, and there we go. It changed to the 24. And same thing in here. No, actually, yeah, you cannot change the title. So, but we can add a logo in here. So I'm gonna add a logo, and you guys can select and also upload it. I want to click select first. Google image. We don't have any Google image. We can search like Google. Yeah, I want to put a Google logo, for example. But if you guys want to upload something, that's great. You guys have something to upload in here. Well, let's see. There we go. We have the logo itself, which is pretty neat. It's beautiful. I mean, like, it's not bad to use this website, guys. I mean, like, it provides a lot of things that you need for maybe a basic thing, maybe I say. And you guys can put a alternative text if the logo doesn't load. And yeah, and also you guys can select a color to use for the name. So basically they picking the color on this logo, and basically you can select anything you probably want to put for the name, for the color of name. Well, I'm gonna choose blue here. Let's say let's choose blue. Oh, we cannot change it except we change it to here, change it in here, and we have a lot of option, but I'm not gonna change anything since this was only for the beginner one. So yeah, I forgot to change the portfolio text. I want to change the title, and it's probably gonna be 96, not 96, definitely 72. Alright, it's perfect. And now what to do after using this? Well, I'm gonna put the camera up here. Well, go back to the insert one, this insert. Well, what's the use for content blocks in here? Well, what you can use with the content blocks? Well, let me show you how it works. So basically, if you press here, for example, we're gonna choose this one. It only gonna show one content blocks. So we're gonna select some image in here, any image that I'm gonna choose here. Beach, let's say beach. Okay. Yeah, this one. Then press insert, and you're gonna show up an image in there. And also you can edit the text. You can also change the font and also the size and everything you need here. Either you want to make it bold or italic or underline, or change the text color, or inserting a link, or putting some emojis, or even change the icon, or even duplicate it, or even delete it, and many more. Yes, and I will say I'm gonna put beach here. See, there's a text called beach. I mean beach. Yeah, and after that, you can put some description for the picture. This was a good beach that I don't know where the place is. Yes, and this was the description. So it's a simple. If you guys want to add more for this, you can click more and more and more and more, but I don't want to click more. So let's say that's how we use content block, but it only shows one image, and I want to show it more than one. Like maybe want to put it like two image on there. You want to put 4, 3, 5, or whatever you want. Well, there's an option in here where you basically can put two. You can basically put a three photos, either vertically or horizontally, or I don't know. And or even you want to put the uh, two image horizontally. Yes, and if you want to put a 4 image, and you can do a lot of things with this one. and it was pretty such easy website to use for you guys if you don't have a background programming. And we have a lot of option here. Maybe we have table of content. uh, Maybe you guys will probably know what the use of this, but I never use such of this. The main things here, you can add a divider. Divider is like a, you see, it's like a line that dividing each image, which is good. And also you can add a button. So for example, we're gonna say what, and the link is gonna whatever, and you can put it in everywhere, and especially drag and drop programming. I mean, web builder. Well, we'll say this is a web builder, not a website that can do a programming. Well, yes, I'm a newbie in here, and I just know about this Google sites like a year ago, because I don't know if Google sites is actually was made in 2008, and I don't know, maybe it was something like, it was not popular at the time. So yeah, and you can also add some Google Docs in here, just in case if you want to put some Google Docs. And also if you can add Google Slide, sheet, form, charts, and everything, calendar, map, YouTube, social links, placeholder, and also any other things that you can do in here, even embed anything. Well, let's say I'm gonna add pages here, so I'm gonna name a new pages. Here there are new pages, but if you want to go home, just click home, and there you go, you get to the home. Well, I'm gonna change this what button into first I'm gonna click edit here. So let's see, the link is to this side. It will automatically show up my page that has been created, that is the end, and I'm gonna update it. And alright, that's what I can teach you guys in this video. And so the web is already made, so I'm gonna publish it, and we're gonna say whatever here, who, and you can also manage who can see view your website, and also you can custom your domain, but it's probably gonna be you need things like, you can do it too, but I don't want to custom domain. So let's say publish. Alright, after publish, where the website go? Well, you click here, and also after that you can click view publish website, and there we go, your own website. And if I click what, it will show the pages that I made, and just all like that. It was easy, right? And this is recommended for you guys if you want to make a website but you don't have a programming experience, or even you guys don't know how to make a new website, or either you guys want to make a simple website that basically you guys wanted to use only for temporarily. This is just recommended for you guys. And yeah, that's all I can say in this video, and I'm sorry if I made a mistake, and that's all from me. Bye.